8.3 million triggered. Okay, that is where we I think you should have received the alert as well. That is where you pay attention to the stock and you see that the stock trades white candle. Okay, now this is not an outright, but because this is the first white candle in. Okay, the first white candle, that means the buyers in control coming in for the first time. Now the reason to buy is because, again, increase in buying activities here. After that, the stock comes down with lower volume, and when there's an increase back in the white candle, higher volume, it means that the buyers step back into the stock. So that was the reason why I wanted to buy this Thai beverage near the end of the day. Okay, as per mentioned here. Let's see what we talk about Thai beverage over here. Okay, now this is the latest Thai beverage. Volume is super high. Okay, weekly chart, you should be able to see buyers back in control. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. There you go. Okay, this is last Friday. So last Friday you could see already higher volume as compared to these 2 days, and the setup itself presented right here. Buyers in control, consolidate for 3 candles with lower and lower volume, and this is the week that it came back strongly. Okay, so therefore we initiate a buy position right here near the closing. You see, check if you will see the buyers back in control. Though not the most obvious, the only warning is the small candle body coming with this high volume. So you decide if you want to take the risk or not, the position or not. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then on the daily chart, now if you have bought Thai beverage, okay, now on the daily chart, you can see today volume is also very high. So as the stock trades higher and higher, we want to see high volume, yeah, we don't want to see low volume. You see low volume, you know, abase, you will hit into this resistance and die. So 735 is the natural resistance that we are looking at now, because the last time it challenges 735, the price dropped. So 735 is a natural resistance. So if it can break this 735, okay, it has a lot of upside to the 80s, okay, to the 80s. So this is a Thai beverage for you. So I don't know how many of you followed this trade. Okay, so if you did, 735, watch out for it, 735. Now those of you who didn't buy, can you still buy? I will say no. Why? Because this is the best risk reward to buy. Over here, you are too far away from the natural support, so I will not be too enthusiastic about buying at 735. Okay, you'll be taking a significantly higher risk than the rest of us. You see, we can, if the stock goes to 735, 74 and turn down, okay, I can still get out at 725 with profit. But if you were to enter at 735, 74 as you turn down, right, you are losing money. Okay, so this is the important thing that you need to understand. Okay, so this is all for tonight. All these stocks that I analyzed together with you and have some fun chit-chatting with you. Okay, for those of you who are interested in my training program, I do conduct a very low-cost training program, cater to train you up to be able to trade the stock market in under 3 months. Okay, so you're not looking at 2,000, you're not looking at 3,000. It is only at $291 for 3 months. So after 3 months, the most popular question is, after 3 months, what happened? After 3 months, then you are no longer a member, you should be able to know how to trade already. So if you still think that you need more training and you need more mentorship from me, then you renew another 291. Okay, now when you sign up for 291, what do you get? Okay, now this is me. Okay, you will get access to the premium training videos that I have prepared right here. So all members are encouraged to go through the training videos, 9 of them. Okay, let's go through. So how to use the software, just now I show you the ESP Master User Guide, and then how to find earnings momentum stocks. Okay, then this is how to calculate target price using the EPS model. Okay, and this one, how to determine volume trigger. This is the core principle behind the execution of the trade, when to buy. Okay, now how many units to buy, how many shares to buy, how to manage your stock portfolio. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, when to sell. Now buying is easy, buying is simple. Tomorrow stock market open, you just buy a stock. But when do you sell? That's the art you need to learn. Okay, now John asked a question, does the mentorship program cover the dividend play training? I am preparing for the video. Once it's ready, I will upload for all the members over here. Okay, there is no, okay, let me repeat, there is no second training on dividend play or a separate course, don't have. It will be integrated into the same program over here. Okay, so this is the units. So once you get access to this Facebook private group, units is where all the training videos are, and discussion is the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, stocks that we are talking about, Sheng Siong lah, the weekly webinar lah, every Monday. Okay, every Monday about 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. I'll be online. So this is the video. Okay, then let's go back to this. You get access to all the software as well. Now this is the Facebook group. Okay, so the videos are inside this group, and you get access to this group during the 90 days, and you get access to the stock screener, ESP master, and also the fundamental information right here. Last time we separate the package. This you have to pay a separate cost for it. Now no, now 2-in-1, everything hamplang together for only 291. Okay, for only 291. So I believe a lot of you may have traded before, and you know to lose 291 is very simple and very easy. Now instead of losing this 291 and don't know what's going on and keep repeating, keep losing the next 291, why don't you invest this 291 in this program and learn, okay, how to read chart, how to find stocks to trade for 3 months together with me, that BMT. So after that, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay, but if, like I say, if you still need help, you can continue to subscribe to 291 and let us do this together. Okay, so this is the 4 simple step. You do the screening, you pick from the list, you evaluate the fundamental information, and then you wait for the volume trigger before you buy the stock. About ChartNexus, okay, I think a lot of you know who is ChartNexus. We supply charts to Keihan, UOB Keihan. We are the software vendor in the broking industry for the last 14 years. Okay, for the last 14 years. So you know that we are deeply rooted in this part of the world, supplying to the industry. Okay, you can trust us. Now this is my name, Yihua. Okay, a lot of people ask me, hey, your name, Chinese name, very difficult to remember. No, do you have an English name? Have. Okay, my English name is called ChartNexus law. Okay, ChartNexus law. Right, so this is my name, private trader for the last 16 years. So this last time a news article featured me, so I use this picture, okay, this phrase from me. And the trade results from all the past members and the testimonials are here, so you can come here and take a look. I'm going to, the link already pinned up onto the chart, okay, onto the chart. Sorry, not onto the chart, onto the chat, to the chat. Right, so this is the program for 291. It's just like paying to learn swimming. Okay, paying to learn swimming. Now, I've come to the end of the presentation. Any question, feel free to ask under the comments field.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.